Bartlett once said that it's those small steps, those small everyday steps that count the most, that you take every day, right? For instance, reading one page a day, doing that 20-minute exercise, doing that 20-minute workout, doing that 20-minute workout that you've been planning to do, right? Doing the 30-minute workout every single day, regardless of how you feel. Emphasis on regardless of how you feel, you just do it because you know that it needs to get done, right? You focus on today. What needs to be done today? What will benefit me tomorrow? What needs to be done today and what will benefit me tomorrow in this long-term vision? The long-term vision that I have, the long-term map that I have, this map that I've put out. What will I do today that will help me progress to the next step? Because every single day counts. Saturday and Sunday counts. Friday counts. Monday counts. Tuesday counts. Every single day counts towards that step, towards that goal. Right? So, it is imperative that we focus, that we don't get distracted. We don't get distracted by Instagram. We don't get distracted by Facebook. We don't get distracted by YouTube. We don't get distracted by TikTok. We don't get distracted by family members. We don't get distracted by siblings. We don't get distracted by friendships. It is imperative that we do not get distracted, because these distractions will turn you away. You will turn away. And before you know it, a whole week has gone past and you haven't done anything. You haven't done nothing. You've wasted 48 hours. You've wasted 72 hours. You've wasted 7 days. And you haven't put in the work. And that is disappointing. That is not the right thing. That will put you behind a lot. It will put you behind a lot. Don't underestimate how that will put you behind, like the level in which you will be behind, right? I want to emphasize being diligent. Being diligent is necessary. Being diligent is necessary. Being diligent is a biblical thing. Being diligent is a godly thing. You need to be diligent. You have to be diligent. It's not a if, you have to be diligent. I know it may feel like, in the moment, it may feel like nothing is working, but it is working on you. In the moment, it may feel like nothing is working, but it is working on you. And you need to stick to it. You need to stick to it long enough. You need to stick to it long enough for a long period. You need to stick to it long enough for it to change, long enough to get good at it. You need to stick to it long enough to get good at it. Because right now you're not essentially good at it. The reason you don't have results, the results that you desire right now, is because you're not good at it yet. The reason you don't have the results that you want right now is because you're not good at it yet. But continue on, continue on, continue on, continue on. And you will get better, and you will get better, and you will get the results that you desire. That's why I said you have to do it long enough to get good. Long enough to get good. Right? When you are productive on your purpose every day, you are becoming the person equipped to handle that purpose. When you become productive on your purpose every single day, you are becoming the person equipped enough to handle that purpose. So when you meet certain challenges ahead, you have the mentality, you have the mindset, you have the mentality to push through, you have the mentality to figure it out. You have that mentality to figure it out because you see this, you understand this, you see the goal ahead, you see the vision ahead, right? So the main thing is be patient, have faith, do the everyday steps correctly, and your reality will change.